Stop. Don't click away. Let me ask you something. Have you ever said, I'm just bad at English?
Be honest. Have you been studying for months, maybe years, and still feel stuck?
What if I told you the problem is not your grammar, not your vocabulary, not even your speaking?
What if the real problem is just one small word missing from your mind?
And today, in the next few minutes, we're going to show you how that tiny word can completely change your English journey.
Stay with us, because this might be the mindset shift you've been waiting for.
Hey there, English learners. Welcome to Smart English Official. I'm Lima.
And I'm James. Thanks for tuning in today.
James, I have to tell you something. Yesterday, I met a student who said, Lima, I've been studying English for 3 years, but I'm still terrible at it.
Oh no. 3 years is a long time. That must feel frustrating.
It is. But you know what? The problem wasn't her English. The problem was right here, in her mind.
In her mind? What do you mean?
Well, today we're going to talk about something that can change everything for English learners. We're talking about your mental attitude.
Mental attitude. That sounds fancy.
It does, but it's really simple. Your mental attitude is how you think about yourself and your abilities.
Okay, so if I think I'm terrible at English, that's my mental attitude.
Exactly. And that attitude can either help you or hurt you.
Interesting. So before we dive deeper, friends, if you're enjoying this conversation, hit that subscribe button for Smart English Official.
Yes. And don't forget to like this video. It helps us reach more English learners like you.
All right, Lima. So you said mental attitude can help or hurt us. Tell me more.
Okay. Let me ask you something, James. Have you ever said, I can't do this?
Of course. Many times. Especially with English grammar. I always say, I can't remember all these rules.
Right. Now that's what we call a fixed attitude.
Fixed? Like stuck?
Yes. Fixed means you believe you cannot change. You believe this is just how I am.
So when I say I can't remember grammar, I'm saying my brain is just bad at grammar.
Exactly. You're telling yourself there's no hope.
That doesn't sound good.
It's not. But there's good news. There's another type of attitude. We call it a development attitude.
Development? Like developing a skill?
Yes. A development attitude says, I'm not good at this right now, but I can improve.
Oh. So instead of I can't remember grammar, I should say,
I'm still learning grammar. I'm getting better every day.
wow. Those two sentences feel completely different.
They do. One closes the door, the other opens it.
This is powerful, Lima. But how do I actually change my thinking?
Great question. I want to teach you a tiny word that has huge power.
A tiny word with huge power. Tell me.
The word is yet.
Yet. That's it?
That's it. 3 letters. Y-E-T. Yet.
How does it work?
Simple. When you have a negative thought, add yet to the end.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's say you think, I don't speak English well.
Okay. That's a fixed attitude.
Now add yet to the end. I don't speak English well yet.
Oh. I don't speak English well yet. That changes everything.
right? It means you're on your way. You're in progress.
Let me try another one. I can't understand native speakers.
Now add the magic word.
I can't understand native speakers yet. Lima, this is brilliant.
I know, right? It's such a small change, but it shifts your whole perspective.
Perspective. Good word. It means how you see things.
Exactly. So that's tip number 1. Use the word yet.
Got it. What's next?
Next, let's talk about something everyone fears:
What's that?
errors.
Oh no. I make so many errors.
We all do. And that's the point. Let me ask you something. James, do you know how to ride a bicycle?
Yes, I do.
When you were learning to ride a bicycle, did you fall down?
Many times. I have scars on my knees.
And when you fell, what did you do?
I got back up and tried again.
Did you say, "I'm terrible at bicycles, I should give up"?
No, of course not. I knew falling was part of learning.
Exactly. So why do we treat English errors differently?
That's a good point.
When you make an error in English, it's the same as falling off a bicycle. It's part of the process.
But errors make me feel embarrassed.
I understand. But think about it this way: every error is a lesson.
A lesson?
Yes. When you say, "I go to school yesterday," and someone corrects you to, "I went to school yesterday," what happened?
I learned something.
Exactly. You learned the past tense of go. You wouldn't have learned that without making the error first.
So errors are actually helpful?
Very helpful. In fact, scientists say we learn more from errors than from getting things right.
Really?
Really. So next time you make an error, don't feel bad. Say, "Thank you, error. You taught me something."
Laughs. Thank you, error. I like that.
Me too. So that's tip number 2. Embrace your errors.
Embrace. Nice word. It means to accept with open arms.
Perfect definition, James. Now let me share one more important idea.
I'm ready.
Many people want to learn English perfectly and quickly. They think, "I need to be fluent in 6 months."
Yes. I've thought that too.
But that's a lot of pressure. And when 6 months pass and you're not fluent, you feel like a failure.
That's true. So what should we do instead?
Focus on progress, not perfection.
Progress, not perfection. What does that mean?
It means don't compare yourself to a perfect English speaker. Compare yourself to yesterday's you.
Yesterday's me?
Yes. Ask yourself, "Am I better today than I was yesterday?"
That's easier to measure.
Much easier. Maybe yesterday you knew 50 words. Today you know 52 words. That's progress.
So I don't need to be fluent today.
No, you just need to be a little better than yesterday.
I love this. It takes the pressure off.
Exactly. Learning English is not a sprint, it's a marathon.
A sprint is short and fast. A marathon is long and steady.
Perfect. And in a marathon, you don't run at full speed. You take it step by step.
Step by step. That reminds me. Lima, what if someone feels overwhelmed, like English is just too big to learn?
Great question. Let me tell you a quick story.
I love stories.
There was a woman who wanted to read 50 books in 1 year.
50 books. That's a lot.
It is. At first, she felt overwhelmed. She thought, "I'll never finish 50 books."
I understand that feeling.
But then she did some math. 50 books in 1 year means about 1 book per week.
Okay, 1 book per week.
And 1 book per week means about 20 pages per day.
20 pages per day. That's much smaller.
Exactly. Suddenly, the big scary goal became a small daily habit. 20 pages. Anyone can read 20 pages.
So she just focused on reading 20 pages every day and eventually she reached 50 books?
Exactly. She didn't think about the 50 books. She just thought about today's 20 pages.
I see. So for English learners, we shouldn't think, I need to be fluent. We should think, what's my 20 pages today?
Perfect. What's your small action for today?
Maybe learn 3 new vocabulary words
Excellent. Or watch one English video.
or practice speaking for 10 minutes.
Yes, small daily actions lead to big results over time.
This is so motivating, Lima.
I'm glad. So let's review our main points.
Yes, let's do it.
Point number 1, change your attitude from fixed to development.
Instead of I can't, say I can't yet.
Point number 2, embrace your errors. They are your teachers.
Errors help us learn. Thank you, errors.
Laughs love it. And point number 3, focus on progress, not perfection.
Compare yourself to yesterday's you, not to perfect speakers.
And bonus point, take small daily actions. What's your 20 pages today?
These are excellent tips, Lima. Thank you so much.
Thank you, James. And thank you to everyone listening.
Yes, thank you all. We hope this helps you on your English learning journey.
Before we go, we have a question for you. In the comments, tell us, what is one small action you'll take today to improve your English?
Yes. Maybe you'll learn 5 new words, or watch an English video, or speak English for 5 minutes.
Whatever it is, share it in the comments. We love hearing from you.
And remember, if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to Smart English Official.
It really helps us create more content for you.
All right, everyone, until next time, keep learning, keep growing.
And remember, you're not bad at English. You're just not fluent yet.
Laughs perfect ending, Lima. Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you in the next episode.